Hello everyone, so in this video, we're going to be reviewing Gemowex.com. So right off the bat guys, I'm just going to say that this website is a scam. As you can see, they're very empty right now. As you can see, you just register, get a reward, and player withdraw. So just by registering, you can get a reward instantly, which is very predatory and very shady. As you can see, you just enter your email and a lot of stuff. So one thing to take note that this has the exact same layout as another website called MrBeastXBet.com. So they didn't even try making these websites look good. They just made a lot of websites to scam a lot of people. And as you can see right here, they have the same logo as this one in Run Rolls Pro, which this website in turn has another one of another clone like this one. So they all have the same logo, which means that they are all created maybe just by one person. Yeah, that is basically it guys. So if you found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing.